Hi and welcome to your Momentum Booster Show. Quick coaching for smart business growth designed to help you get momentum every day and results all year. Now, success isn't about massive leaps. It's about consistent small wins, plus 1% every day. And these business habits are built atomically, tiny actions that compound daily. So let's look at 3 steps to build success, one small habit at a time. And step 1 is to shrink the habit. Start smaller than you think. If you want to journal, start with 1 sentence. If you want to follow up on leads, start with 1 message. If you want to write better marketing, start with 1 headline. Now, step 2 is to stack the new habit onto something that you already do. Habits stick better when they follow existing routines. So for instance, review your goals while you're having your morning coffee. And then the 3rd step is to track the streak. Success loves evidence. Use a habit tracker or a simple checklist to build momentum and to reinforce your identity. Okay, your momentum move for today. Pick 1 micro habit that supports a big goal and do it. Keep it so small that you can't fail. Remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. Because 1 step every day in the right direction, that's momentum.